Disneyland is your land.
He comes seeking adventure as the old pirates, eh?
Made the jump to light speed.
Stand by to dive. Stand by to dive. Pressure in the boat. Pressure in the boat. Flop the main ballast tanks. Flop the main ballast tanks. Let's take it down. Dive. Dive. Take it down easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead full, steady as she goes. G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you on. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor, hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right, runner, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and start.
Aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down faster than me. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir. Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. And now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
There's so much to know. Like corn explorers, it's time to
What if we are finding out the Nemo? Water eggs and tasty waves? Sure, Squirt. Where? PAC, dude. We'll be like, whoa, like, whoa.
Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin. This is not funny, and I'm no funny. I'm a clownfish.
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. See?
Nemo, where are you, Nemo? I am looking for my son. It's Nemo.
Where?
No, that's right, trying to find my son Nemo. You know that. Remember, you can reach me now. Don't remember it.
Is it
There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once. Hello, Bruce. I'm having a lunch. Right then. I am an ice shark, not a mindless eating machine. We are friends, not food. Like them mates. Easy does it. These balloons.
Secure all stations. System change.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
Full ahead full.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race you there. Okay, go.
Dory! Wait! What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
Doesn't touch me.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory!
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory, too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like...
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like blue.
jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue. Boing.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Right, Mr. Squirty Pants.
Stop playing games! Let's go!
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding Nemo! Nemo, I found you! I was so worried!
Hey, you guys noticed the arrival, you know?
We survived the volcano, Nemo! Nemo, say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh, can we?
Oh, of course! When fish can fly!
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Big girl! So huge! Volcanoes are kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! Should see me surf the volcano!
Oh, do some fit! Logan!
Dude!
Hmm.